The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we are having some of them here today to build this event. Before we start today, can we please have a huge round of applause for all who are available to make this memorable? Today's event recognizes extraordinary talent and commitment demonstrated by all awardees, our jury members on this occasion. It is our proud privilege and fortune to have amongst us some great personalities, guests, and Lifeway Tech India management members. Chief guest, Mr. Ambuj Kathuria, VP and Global Higher Institution of Education, Masad, Iran. Mr. Sunil Kumar, Director and CEO, Lifeway Tech India, and Mrs. Hindbala Verma, Director, Lifeway Tech India. We are immensely honored by gracious presence of God. So without much delay, ladies and gentlemen, please join me as we welcome our chief guest and special guest and Lifeway Tech India management members, Dr. Niranjan Lal, Mr. Sunil Kumar, and Shri Banwari Lalji. So now we are going to do lamp lighting with Saraswati Vandana. In Indian tradition, out of all the goddess and goddesses, we always pray to Saraswati first. कहते हैं जब भी हमारी हम लोग किसी अच्छे शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत करते हैं तो हमारी भारतीय रीति रिवाज के अनुसार, हमारी हिंदी संस्कृति के अनुसार हम ऊपर वाले को नमन करते हैं, उनको प्रणाम करते हैं, उनको नमस्कार करते हैं। और हमारी हिंदू संस्कृति के अनुसार सबको मालूम ही है कि हम लोग सरस्वती जी को याद कर, तो मैं सभी आए हुए हमारे मैनेजमेंट मेंबर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप लोग सरस्वती जी का वंदन कर आज के इस इवेंट की शुरुआत करें। डॉक्टर निरंजन लाल, मिस्टर सुनील कुमार एंड श्री बनवारी लाल जी।
शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती सरस्वती भगवती
All right, thank you everyone. Lifeway Tech India has taken a further step in the direction of honoring the talent of India and abroad and to organize this third International Annual Award Summit. About global education and corporate leadership, GECL Awards. An award is something given to a person, a group of people like a research team or an organization in recognition of their excellence in a certain field. The award's highest highlight and reward the quality and diversity of educational universities, colleges, institutions, startups, corporate and industries, services for the society. The GECL awards aim to encourage the raising of the quality of educational universities, colleges, institutions, startups, entrepreneurs, corporate and industries with some standards to honor of excellence. GECL award category. GECL awards are mainly divided in six categories. First, award for individually. Second, award for universities, colleges, and institutions. Third, award for school. Fourth, award for coaching institutions. Fifth, award for startups and entrepreneurs. Sixth, award for corporate industry. Who can participate for GECL awards? Following members or bodies may fill the nomination for GECL awards. First, universities, colleges, higher education institutions. Second, school. Third, coaching institutions. Fourth, academies and research scholars. Fifth, corporate industries. Sixth, international organizations and associations. Seven, consultants. Eighth, academy. Nine, startups. 10, entrepreneurs. And 11, students. About Lifeway Tech India. Lifeway Tech India is a private limited company incorporated in October 2014. Lifeway India Tech includes innovation, creativity, and professionalism that provides unique world-class experience for both highly value client and staff. Lifeway Tech India wants to create common ground for global experts and professionals to share their ideas and discoveries. Lifeway Tech India's mission is to stand out, does not stop with our internal goals. After all, our clients' satisfaction is what keeps our doors open, and helping you stand out is the best way to make sure you are completely satisfied. Lifeway Tech India committed to helping your brand stand out in a covered market against a sea of hungry competitions. Lifeway Tech India deals in following service and development, software development and services, research and developments, events and training, award summits, national international conference, workshop for student and faculty, seminars, hackathons, faculty development program, faculty enabling program, conventions, free internship, industry new by development. The award ceremonies are a celebration of talent, success, and achievement. It also celebrates hard work, in turn, making people feel appreciated and well respected. Award session is divided in four sessions, and we would like to announce that the award nominations are selected on the basis of awardees' age, specialization, and zone wise. National representation, international their contribution for the society. Let me introduce Mr. Sunil Kumar. Mr. Sunil Kumar has received his graduation from University of Rajasthan, India, and MBA degree from Amity University, Noida, India. He started his career as a junior position is an MNC company. He has worked in various companies and at managerial positions. He is a senior leader over 5 years of experience in building and leading global higher performance. Terms for driving sustained business growth and creating shareholder and clients value. In 2014, he has started his own company, Lifeway Tech India Private Limited. He is currently working as a CEO and director of Lifeway Tech India Software Development and Event Management Company. He is a passionate about new technologies and its use to help business differentiate their products and services in market. His company Lifeway Tech India is a strong software development and event management company firm with latest technologies like Wave OPS, Big Data and Data Science, Agile Machine Learning, and lot. He has the acumen for identifying new upcoming technologies and creating unique service offering around it to create innovative service lines, products, and potential market. He has a strong ability on the market responding of service offering and adapt in keeping the right balance between cost, risk, and growth. He quickly builds a high performance culture and takes bold steps to put companies on the path of recovery and growth. Mr. Sunil Kumar, CEO and Director, Lifeway Tech India, Alwar, Rajasthan, India. Now, welcome our company CEO and Director, Mr. Sunil Kumar, to say a few words about this event.
Thanks, Amandeep. Good morning all and welcomes you in award ceremony of GCL 2020 by Lifeway Tech India. Chief guest Mr. Ambuj Kathuria, VP and Global Head Data Analysis Service, Birla of India. Special guest Professor Dr. Hamid Taremi, President Asar Higher Institute of Education, Masar, Iran. Dr. Niranjan Lal, Modi University. Mr. Miss Indibala Verma, Director Life Tech India. Awardees GCL 2020 and jury members. I, Sunil Kumar, on the behalf of Life Tech India, welcomes you to the third International Annual Award Summit GCL 2020. Finally, I wish the awardee of great success and wish all the awardees to showcase their talent through this platform during COVID-19 pandemic time. Also looking forward to your participation in other events that will be organized by Life at Tech India. Thanks. Stay safe. Stay healthy.
Thank you, Mr. Sunil Kumar. Now, welcome our chief guest, Mr. Ambuj Kathuria, to say about few words GECL and sharing their experience. Yeah.
Oh, great. A warm welcome, everyone. Good morning. And it's really a pleasure for me to be a part of such a platform, and really thanks to Sunil and Niranjan to organize such a, the marvelous event. And I'm sure, I think each one of you might have come out with some kind of a great achievement and a milestone in your career. And I would love to see that. And I don't know how long I will be part to continue be in this session, but looking forward to speaking to each one of you. And I'm sure you all have done a lot of outstanding work in your respective area. Really, again, warm welcome to everyone, and looking forward to speaking to you all. Thank you, Varun.
थैंक यू सर. दोस्तों कहते हैं जिंदगी एक जंग है. जिंदगी एक जंग है, लड़ना तुझको पड़ेगा. जो लड़ नहीं सकेगा वो आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा. गौर से सुनिएगा. कहते हैं कि जिंदगी एक जंग है, लड़ना तुझको पड़ेगा. जो लड़ नहीं सकेगा वो आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा. इतिहास क्या है? इतिहास क्या है? एक शूरवीरों की कहानी. राणा शिवा, भगत सिंह और झांसी वाली रानी. कोई भी इंसान कायरों का इतिहास क्यों पढ़ेगा? जो लड़ नहीं सकेगा वो आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा. Now I'm going to call Best Young Scientist Award Male below 40 years, Dr. Bharat Kumar Chudasama from India.
Good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Bharat Kumar Chudasama, Assistant Professor and Head of Department of Fish Processing Technology, College of Fishery Science, Junagadh Agricultural University, Verawal, Gujarat. My area of specialization is on fish processing technology. I am currently working on seafood biochemistry, seafood freezing technology, seafood product development, and waste management. And due to consideration of my work, I am extremely thankful to GCL 2020 by Lifeway Tech India to consider my work and considering my nomination for the Best Young Scientist Award. I would also like to thank my family and friends for their unconditional love and support. They are the motivator for my every endeavor. So I'm extremely thankful to my family and friends as well. And I would like to again thank an organizations for providing best opportunity on this platform, because under such pandemic condition, it's become a new normal for us that we need to learn or we need to teach both the way through the online mode right now. But hope to see you all the intellect in front of me, and I am extremely happy to be a part of this session.
Hello everyone, myself Mukesh Soni. Currently, I am working as assistant professor in Department of Computer Engineering at Srimati S.R. Patel Engineering College, Gujarat State. My research domain is applied cryptography, network security, information security, and recently I am focusing on machine learning and blockchain. For all my research topics, I have published various research paper in Scopus as well as SCI Index journal. I have also published Indian and international patent in my research domain. For all these research activity, today I am getting this Best Young Researcher award from both the organization named Global Education and Corporate Leadership and Lifeway Tech India Private Limited. So I would like to provide my gratitude to both the organization to provide me such a global and great platform to recognize my all research activity. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Shubhashish Rai, working as an assistant professor, Department of Chemical Engineering, Rajabhai Science College, University of Calcutta. I received GCL Excellent and Innovation Award 2020 Lifeway Tech India. It gives me immense pleasure to receive these prestigious awards in these years. Basically, I am working on the nanomaterial synthesis characterizations and its applications in the different fields of energies like solar cells, fuel cells, water pressings, etc. etc. GCL Award 2020 an open platform that bring together some of the India's most brilliant minds to share their leadership strategies and insight into educational, financial, economic and management issues. So in these awards give me fresh energy to fulfill my future dreams also. Thank you all jury members to have selected me for this particular special award. Thanks a lot.
I am Dr. Sesang. Yes, I am Dr. Sesang Degarwala. I am working as an associate professor and the head of department in Sigma Institute of Engineering, Vadodara. And basically, I am a computer engineer, and I have published more than 120 research paper in the field of image processing, data mining, and computer vision. And I also published one patent, and I also published 8 books in the field of computer engineering. And I also got Microsoft certified in Python and Advanced Excel. And I also completed 250 Coursera courses in the field of computer engineering, means different computer engineering parts. And I also got the more than 40 awards in academics and research area. And this is my profile, and because of this my profile, I got and I thank to GCL 2020, and based on my profile I got the best academician of the year award. Thank you to GCL 2020.
Professor Dr. Hamid Sarami is President Chancellor Asrar Higher Institution of Education, Dimit Tubi University, Mashhad. PhD in Financial Management, MCom in Cost Accounting, BA Art Scientist, and BCom Commerce Finance. They have tremendous executive experience and academic experience. They have published many research papers in reputed international journals and conferences. They have attended many conferences as key speaker, guest of honor, chair session, published many books and advisory board of many.
Institute of Education. At the critical time of the fighting I express my sincere sympathy for all people and pray for the prosperity, control, and victory over the virus. I wish a speedy recovery to those who are ill. I offer my condolences to the families of the number of the people around the world, especially the people of India on the date of the corona, and I wish them patience and good health. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, dear chief guests, dear audience, dear professors, dear researchers. It is my pleasure opportunity to meet honorable guests. I welcome you all, my dears. Chief guest, Mr. Mr. Sunil Kumar, Honorable Director Sunil Kumar, Director Lab. Honorable Director, Dr. Naranjan Lal Modi from Modi University, Rajasthan, India. And while thanking organizing secretary and also Honorable Secretary Dr. Naranjan Lal and others organizers of this valuable event, that I am sure and I believe their effort will have a good result, and I wish them a successful future. Giving special thanks to my best and very close friend and Dr. Naranjan Lal from Modi University, Rajasthan, India, whom I am really captivated by his social and moral and behavior, whom I have had the honor to be in touch and know him from a long time, who provide me opportunity to have my scientific and research relationship with this organization. I am really thankful to Dr. Naranjan Lal for giving me such a golden opportunity to be among the nice people in my love, in my second home, my India, with you nice and kind people where I spent most of my young life during 1977 to 1988 in my India. It is a matter of pride to me to be with for a while and share my knowledge with you and provide my 32 years experience to the organization as an honorary member. Now, in such a situation, anyhow, we should know that life is a process, and we shall not think and research activities. We can definitely shining leaf in the record and the performance of this organization. Passionate about organizing event like summits, national or international conferences, workshop for student faculties, students development program, faculty development program, and faculty enablement program, and industry by development training and incentive program in India or any other country of the world. All these valuable events and activity show empowered and soul and powerful management with the high knowledge of scientific and research issue of this organization. In the end, while giving my thanks to all of you and volunteers and organizers of this event, especially to the Honorable Director, let us all pray together and pray to God Almighty to restore and return and grant health, happiness, prosperity, and peace to all of the people of the world and the nation. Thank you very much and have a nice time and wish you all the best and success.
Now we are going to share our video of previous award member of or jury member.
friends, this is Dr. Pooja Devan. I'm delighted today to be invited as a jury member for the Global Education and Corporate Leadership Awards GECL 2020, the third series. This year, the award is being held virtually because of the Corona challenge. I thank Lifeway Tech India's CEO Director Mr. Sunil Kumar and Dr. Niranjan Lal from Modi University for having given me this platform to adjudge the applications and select the awardees. The process was vigorous, painstaking, but enjoyable, a learning experience and an eye-opener. Personally, to this forum, I bring with me the expertise of music, medicine and social work. I am a gynecologist and I specialize in infertility, IVF and gynae endoscopy. I am a musician, singer and I conjoin music with medicine to bring forth the applicative aspects of music therapy in the process of healing. Lately, I have founded and envisioned Arcady Live, a woman healthcare service. GECL Awards is a recognition for significant contribution, be it an illustrious career or being a role model. This platform brings together individuals and institutions from various walks of life who are achievers. Academicians, tutors, educationists, scientists, innovators, businessmen, entrepreneurs, and many more. I believe that this platform will give immense opportunity to lives to grow and to progress in the right milieu. I must appreciate the effort and the vision of the organizers, and of course, a big congratulations and good luck to all the awardees.
Good morning, one and all present over here. It's a great privilege and honor for me for getting selected for the prestigious international award in the category of protection of nature and environment. Receiving an award in the immediate presence of many other researchers who have done immensely in their own field and who are acclaimed by all the academicians. This has also motivated me immensely so that I can work more by becoming more charged up in its true nature and spirit. My best wishes and congratulations to all other awardees who have also got different awards in their respective domain for doing immensely. I'm truly thankful to the Lifeway Tech and GECL 2020. Lifeway Tech being an emergent organization who promotes research and giving platforms to all other budding researchers to showcase their talents and to contribute more in the academic field. My best wishes to this award ceremony for all this success. Thank you all again from the core of my heart.
Very good morning everyone present here. And first of all, I like to congratulate the whole GECL team for working really hard. And constantly they are sending us mail, they are in touch with us, and they are really working very hard. And I personally want to thank Mr. Varun Verma sir, Mr. Sunil Kumar sir, and Mr. Niranjan Kumar sir. And as far as my profile is concerned, I am acting as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science in BBD University, Lucknow. And I have more than 12 years of academic experience. And prior to that, I was in research field also. I was in BIT Mesra Ranchi. And currently, I'm pursuing my post-doc from Gautam Buddha University, Greater Noida. And I am highly delighted for achieving this award, and I once again want to thank all the team, all the GECL team for working really hard. Thank you again.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Shahima Hamid. I am associated with Banastali Vidyapeeth as Assistant Professor Management, and it is my absolute pleasure to accept the award of the Best Academician of the Year. I am an active researcher and I am a teacher at heart. So I have been actively involved in teaching, academics and research for the past 10 years. I have to date published 18 papers. I have attended 23 conferences, 10 workshops. This award that is conferred by the GECL and the Lifeway Tech India, I'm so happy that they have taken an initiative to recognize talent around the world, and I hope that this serves as an inspiration for people who enter academia. Thank you once again, GECL and the Lifeway Tech. I would also like to thank my Dean, my HOD, my friends, my family and my entire support system who have backed me and who have made me the person I am today. Thank you so much.
So, hi guys, this is Nishant, and I hope that you all are doing great. Thank you very much to the whole team of EPL. And I wish that this award function gets better with time, and the recognition also gets bigger in the size also. So I've been working within the industry for last 12 years, and now recently I've moved into digital media also. We have a couple of products which have done really well, and recently we have got recognized by LinkedIn for one of the fastest growing startups. So I wish that people start to understand that future is digital, as well as the I would say that future, the new shopping mall is internet in the future. So I wish everyone all the best. Thank you very much for the award, and also kudos to the BCL team who is actually doing a lot of this work. You know, reaching out to people, asking them for their profile, and also getting to know more about them, and then putting them into a whole process and then shortlisting them for an award. So thank you very much, everyone, and all the best to all those who are going to get this award. And have a good day, and all the best.
Good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to be with all of you now. So, first of all, I'd like to thank Dr. Kumar, Director of Lifeway Teach India, and the all organizers team to attend this award ceremony version 2. Second of all, I'd like to ask all of you to take care of yourself and be safe from COVID-19 during this pandemic period of time. And we need to pray to ask Allah to remove this virus from all around the world. Thirdly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Ahmed Al-Naggar. I'm Assistant Professor of Computer Science, Faculty of Computers and Artificial Intelligence, Bani Suef University, Egypt. I'm a founder and the chairman of Scientific Innovation Research Group SEARCH. I'm a director of Technological and Informatics Studies Center. I'm a director of Bani Suef University Electronic Port. I'm co-director of International Ranking Office Bani Suef University. I'm a IEEE member of Bani Suef section. I'm a managing editor of Journal of Cybersecurity and Information Management. Also, I'm associate editor of International Journal of Informatics, Media and Communication Technology, Bani Suef University. Thanks so much to GECL and Lifeway Teach India team. I'm really so happy to be with all of you. Thanks so much.
Hi, I am Muhammad Firdaus Sheikh from Udaipur, Rajasthan, India. I am working in Department of Computer Science Engineering in Mewar University, Chittorgarh. First of all, I would like to thanks to give me a privilege, and I am deeply honored to speak about such a momentous occasion, and it is very hard to put this feeling into the words, and it is huge honor to receive the best academician of the year 2020 by Global Education and Corporate Leadership Award by GECL and LifeTech. and I am deeply honored for this recognition of my work by GECL and Lifeway Tech as my contribution in research as well as in academic. So in my academic, I have published more than 27 papers in national and international journals. I also published one international book. During Corona pandemic, after lockdown, I published 4 Indian patent in intellectual property right, Government of India. So GECL Award is best platform for academician as well as the corporate leaders, and I would like to thanks to GECL whole team and Lifeway Tech technology team for such wonderful event, and thank you so much.
Good day everyone. I am Dr. M.K. Yadav. I have more than 12 year teaching experience as an assistant professor in the Department of Physics at J.C. Bose University of Science and Technology, YMCA, Faridabad, which is a state university of the government of Haryana since 2009. I have teaching UG and PG classes and also supervising PhD scholar over the years. I have supervised 2 PhD scholar, PhD thesis and more than 65 MSc physics dissertation. I have published 17 papers in the international journal Index in SCI, Scopus, Elsevier and UGC approved list. I have presented more than 25 papers in the national international conference. I have attended more than 80 STC FDP webinar organized on national and international platform by the various institute of the national importance. I was elected as a vice president and the president in 2014 and 2016 respectively for the Faculty Association of the university, and have been able to work towards the welfare of the faculty of the university. My contribution to the academics have been recognized with 10 awards on national and international platform like Acharya J.C. Bose Memorial Award by IIOH Kolkata in 43 International Conference held on 7th February 2020. Teachers Gallery Award in World Education Summit Hyderabad 21st-22 February 2020. Best Teacher Award and Research Excellence Award by the Director INSC Bengaluru. Scientist of the Day 2020 and Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Lifetime Achievement Award by IRDP Group of Journal, Chennai. My name features of the name sent on Moon Mission 2008 list by NASA. A bibliographical note on me has been published in the Asia Pacific Who Volume 16 2017 and Asian Admirable Achiever Volume 10 2018 published by the Rifacimento International, Daryaganj, New Delhi 2. Now I have been selected by the respected jury member of the GECL 2024 the Best Guru Award in the 3rd International Award on 21st November 2020. It gives me immense pleasure because the role of Guru in the society is very important for the development of the nation. You know that a teacher is called nation builder. So teaching is my mission, not a profession. According to Swami Vivekanand, a nation is as good as its school. A school is as good as its teacher. A teacher should have the knowledge of the subject matter and knowledge of presentation of the subject matter and knowledge of research work. Last but not least, I shall like to give my sincere thanks to the GECL 2020 Lifeway Tech India and team member of organizing the international event and wish for its grand success. Thank you very much. All the best.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Kakre. I have pursued my bachelor's in computer science from UP East. Recently completed my 8th semester and will be graduating this year. I have a major interest towards research work in the domain of neural nets and computer vision. I have published papers in Web of Science, papers in UGC Index journals. Further, I was also awarded for 3rd Best Academic Project and 2 more competitions conducted by IBM in collaboration with UPS. I am very glad to receive this award for Best Young Researcher from GECL organized by Lifeway Tech. It is a Global Education and Corporate Leadership Awards which establishes the award as a recognition for significant contribution towards society. I'd like to thank again for GECL for recognizing me for this. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, greetings of the day. Myself Dr. Balakrishna Pamalaparthi. I work as Senior Lead Engineer at the GE Hyderabad Technology Center. So today I received Best Young Researcher Award in GECL 2020 Awards for the contributions I made to smart grid in terms of innovations which are reflected in the form of patents. So I would like to thank GECL 2020 and LWT India for recognizing me in this context, and I would like to congratulate GECL and LWT India committee for organizing such a wonderful event over the past 2 years, and I hope they will continue to encourage a lot of young minds, researchers and various entrepreneurs to continue to do so. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone doing well and safe. Myself, Dr. Rajiv. I proudly say that I have rich academic and administrative experience in national and international level. Right now, I am working as a manager and faculty member in Learning Resources Center and Business Administration Department in Sur University College, Sultanate of Oman. I'm managing all the functions related to library resources and services. I have been selected and trained in Australia Bond University libraries and done courses in American Library Association, United States of America. I'm an expert in library automation and electronic libraries. I am an active researcher and done projects in libraries and published my research papers in international journals, international conferences and seminars. I'm experienced in various audits conducted by OAAA, NOC for accreditation purpose. I have experience in various libraries specialized in leading the team, planning and providing various workshops, training programs for the users, online cataloging, managing and developing electronic resources, policies related to collection development, annual budgeting, operational plans. Even I have done ICT updates and complete set of library automation process by maintaining the international standard procedures in the present library. I'm very glad and honored to receive this award. At this moment, I thank God Almighty, my family members, guide, friends, colleagues, and well-wishers who have supported me throughout my career. Even I want to express my sincere appreciation and thanks to Lifeway Tech India and team for selecting me as the Best Librarian for the Global Education and Corporate Leadership Award 2020. I wish all the best to all the participants, awardees, guests, and Lifeway Tech team. Thanks to all for providing me this opportunity to express my feelings in this remarkable event. Thank you all.
Thank you. I am pleased and honored to accept the award. Thank you for this recognition. This will serve as a motivation on my part to strive for the best and to attain quality education for all learners. I am currently employed as secondary school teacher in the Department of Education, Schools Division Office of Pampanga, Santa Maria High School, Macabebe, Pampanga, Philippines. I am an award-winning teacher coach in the National Science Quest. In terms of my affiliation, I am currently affiliated with the Asian Society of Teachers for Research Incorporated and the Ascendance Asia International Researchers Club. I am also serving as manuscript and article reviewer in the International Journal of Creative Research Thoughts and International Journal for Educational Management and Developmental Studies. More than my role as a teacher, I am also a researcher. I have presented research papers in the division and international level. So far, I have 3 research papers published in the international journals, such as IJSRP and IJ Reset. Again, thank you and congratulations to all.
Hello everyone, good afternoon, greeting of the day. I'm thankful to each and everyone. Right now working as a program coordinator for MIT School of Hospitality, Rajasthan. I'm thankful to my director, my MIT University Rajasthan management and my colleague, Dr. Saurabh, Dr. Yashwant, who is my PhD guide, along with the Dr. Sushil Avasthi sir, and Global Education GESL 2020 and Life Tech. Thank you for to recognize my contribution in the academic. I'm really very happy and very nice to be associated with all of you. Thank you very much, sir. I think so. I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Thank you very much. So I think so. You all of you have heard my message to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir. I think I am audible.
Yeah. Yes, you are audible, sir.
Yeah. First of all, I give thank to all the organizer of GECL and the Life Tech for giving me this this award as a best academician of the year. As concerned as of myself, I've just PhD in 2013 and have many Scopus papers in Scopus journals and also Scopus indexes conferences. Many patents, international patents and Indian patents. It is published and the grant guiding for PhD students. Many students have guided in MTech, CSE, in MTech level in computer science and engineering department. I'm having more than 15 years of experience in the teaching. I just thank to all the GECL 2020 group members and the Life Tech members for giving me this award.
Hello everyone, I'm Dien. I'm a chemistry teacher at a high school in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. I'm also STEM teacher and small scale chemistry trainer. So I think I did my student in phase 1. And now I'm focusing on teaching small scale chemistry for my class and support for other chemistry teachers in Vietnam. Today I'm very happy to be a winner Excellent Woman in Science Innovation Award by Lifeway Tech India. I would like to thank Global Education and Corporate Leadership Award to give me a chance to meet many great people in education. Thank you very much.
I would like to start today by thanking GECL Awards by Lifeway Tech India for celebrating women in education in this award ceremony. Women in education have shown courage, vision, ingenuity, and achievement, and this award celebrates all these qualities. For a woman to get recognition is a great challenge, which this award has helped me defeat, and for that too I say thank you. Thank you for celebrating this success with me. Education is a true measure of progress made by nations to attain success and excellence in the field of investment in human capital. An educated human, man or woman, is the basis of civilization and the axis of advancement and progress. It is the obligation of all of us to ensure that women gain equal access to education, economic opportunities, and are centrally recognized as the vital actors they are in the public sphere and in critical decision making. We have to give women the tools and the opportunity to achieve everything she dreams of achieving. I heard something said beautifully once. The agent of change is that part in all of us that deeply wants to make a difference in this world, to uplift our own lives in a way that inspires others to recognize their own greatness and do wonderful things. It is the allowing of heaven to move through us unimpeded, so that we can be of service and leave the world a better place. Let us all aspire to be this agent of change.
I'm Nazneen Shabnam. Please accept greetings from Bangladesh. Thank you, Global Education and Corporate Leadership Award 2020 team. It's a very wonderful and inspirable activities. It also a motivational tool, I think so. I'm thanking you for these initiatives Absolutely, it's a very great initiative and inspirable activities. I'm very much grateful for my nomination, and I hope these activities will inspire all the women and young people as like mine for their next initiatives, and it will inspire all of us to influence the society by their activities and innovations. Thank you, GSEL. Again, best of luck.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Mahasid and I am currently a faculty at OPG Global University. I teach the law students over there. And so I had not sent a video because I was very this on the fact that I wanted to be here present throughout this time. And so I'm really grateful to GCL Awards. I'm really grateful for this nomination. And I would like to thank everyone for being here during this time. Thank you, everyone.
This is Sarita Das, Value Education and Spirituality Teacher, Coordinator of Value Education Program, Mount Abu Spiritual University, Branch Jharkhand, Research Scholar Ranchi University, and Jharkhand Government Officer. Previously, I have been awarded 200 appreciation certificates from various universities at national and international level for my educational activities. I am grateful to GECL and Lifeway Tech India that has honored me with valuable award. Thanks to organizing committee and Divine Supreme Soul. Thanks everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Yeah, this is Virendra Yadav. I'm country head for Aziz Global Ventures Private Limited. We are basically into spirit industry, and as far as if we talk about our industry, in fact, we are, the industry is growing, and in terms of on a global level, because I see a lot of speakers from across the globe. And first of all, good afternoon, everybody from India, and I would like to hello. I would like to appreciate everybody who has been here, and during this COVID times, everybody took out time and participating in such a great forum and sharing the knowledge. So that is a great thing. And on behalf of my organization, I would like to thank everybody. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. It's my humble honor that I accept this Women Award by UCL 2020 Award. My nomination for this award has filled me with a strong sense of pride, and I would like to thank the entire GECL 2020 Award Committee for this honor. Would like to say to talk for 1 minute, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. I was always passionate about engineering and science, and always studying new technologies. Currently, I'm working as a professor in Cummins College of Engineering for Women, Pune, and also serving my institute as Dean Research and Development. I'm continuing my research work in the areas of my interest with my PhD students. I'm continuously even accessing my effectiveness and adjusting my instructions to infuse innovative and creative strategies, ensuring my commitment to promote science and innovation among all my teaching and learning fraternity through the strong leadership in the field of education. So here, I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart the juries of this award who appreciated my research and innovation related work and nominated me for this. Being a part of institution founded by Maharshi Karve, who spent his whole life for empowerment of students, I feel honored to receive this award. Every woman is an innovator, researcher, and entrepreneur by birth. It is the only support of parents, family, and also the society which make her successful. I like to thank again from the bottom of my heart all my family members, my friends, and my institution who always encouraged me and supported me for continuing work on this. So thank you once again for this award, and have a good day. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible. Yes, sir.
Yeah. First of all, I'd like to thank the jury members and LifeTech India Private Limited for providing me an opportunity, a wonderful platform for my. I feel that because of my hard work and dedication, and over more than a decade, I have worked in the field of academics. I have written books, published various papers at national and international level. To brief about myself, I am currently working as a faculty member with University Department of Commerce and Business Administration, Tilka Manjhi Bhagal University, Bhagalpur, and for more than 12 years, I've been in this profession, and it is the result of my hard work that my students are placed. I've also been associated with various placement activities, and my various papers have been published at national and international levels, and I've also authored books and edited various journals at national and international level. And it is because of this hard work, I feel that GECL award has been given to me, and it is the result of this my passion and dedication towards my profession that I'm presenting towards you my work. Thank you, GECL, for honoring me with this achievement. Thank you all.
First of all, I would like to pay my heartiest gratitude to you for choosing me for the award. Thank you so much. This is really very nice of you that you are selecting various personalities for awarding. This doesn't give only the motivation, but it also help others to learn that yes, there is a way to come out of the things. There are so many things that you can do. The variety of category you have chosen is really wonderful. I appreciate your hard work, and then I'm really very thankful to God and all the family members and my nears and dears who keep me motivated that I am getting this wonderful award from you. Thank you so much. I thank family, God, friends, relative, and GCL for
me. Thank you so much.
Hello, everyone. I was here a few minutes ago as well. I'm also part of this organization, a startup called Upekha Edu Services. And through that, what we mainly focus on is that we try to help develop students researching, editing, writing, professional development skills. And that is something that I started this year itself. And I have seen a lot of development in that. And I have seen a lot of students from different countries be a part of that program as well. And I'm really grateful for GECL as well as Lifeway Tech India for recognizing that and awarding me with this Innovator of the Year award. Thank you so much.
I am the youngest of all the people present here. First of all, I would thank GECL and Lifeway Tech for giving me this wonderful award as Creative Entrepreneur 2020. Moreover, I am an entrepreneur by age of 17. I had also received an award, Emerging Entrepreneur of 2018 and Emerging Entrepreneur of 2020 or 2019 even. Now I am going to receive this award as Creative Entrepreneur 2020. First of all, I would like to thank my family members, teachers, my friends, and supporters for being to get this award. And first of all, and more thanks to GECL and Lifeway Tech. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Dr. Jawahar Ifrani. I thank you so much for giving me this platform. I am able to because my teacher, Dr. Motilal Gopani, motivated me for a hobby. his suggestion was that every student should have a hobby. Apart from studies, a person should have a hobby. So I started collecting postage stamps of the various countries. I have collected for 240 countries, including kingdoms and islands. And I have collected more than 52,000 stamps. And I have stored them in different categories, country-wise as well as theme-wise. And now my main motto is to educate more and more people in the schools, colleges, offices, factories, and various public gatherings about the social causes. I have associated all these stamps because this stamp is not a piece of paper. It contains lot of cultural and other information about the different countries on the different themes, such as flowers, paintings, trees, historic monument buildings, historic people, great personalities. So what I do in the schools, colleges, I motivate them for the different causes such as tree plantation, traffic rules, traffic safety road rules, corona awareness, women empowerment, breastfeeding, cleanliness, child care and child rights, save water, save electricity, noise pollution, love for your country. We should be faithful to our country. Respect for armed forces. So we have to be very, very careful while adopting our sanskars. So we have to be very, very particular. We have to respect our nation. We have to respect our armed forces. So I would like to thank.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have been all outstanding performers. So one round of applause for each and everyone here for yourself. On behalf of everyone, we would like to thank all dignitaries this time. Your presence has been very valuable to us today, and certainly look forward to another interaction with you in the future.
my old memories because I've been an alumni of ICFA Dehradun. So I'd like to be part of this 2021 event. And I'd like to thank all the jury members again and organizers also for organizing such a smooth event. It was never felt at any moment that we are conducting this event on a virtual platform. It was felt that the event is conducting live, face to face. So it was a very wonderful event and very smooth. Everything happened, and the organizers were in close contact with all the awardees also. At any point of time we would like to reach, they were available there. So I'd like to thank again the jury members also, Mr. K. Karunakaran, one of the jury members. He's actually one of my Facebook friend also. So I know him personally. So I'd like to thank him also and all the other jury members for providing me this opportunity. And I'd like to dedicate this award to my family members, especially my parents, my mother and my father, and my wife, who had been almost supporting me throughout my this journey of through my academic life as well as my professional life. Thank you.
I think that I have said it all on the comments, but I would still like to congratulate everybody who has participated and who has given the exposure to a lot of people. So it goes a kudos to the team of LWT India. There's a kudos that should go out to the team of GECL, and absolutely the ones who are actually doing all the admin work from the initiation of this award function, reaching out to people, bringing their documents, getting the jury to select the right people on for the award, and then also getting people from outside of India also. It always gives wings to a complete structure. My only advice is that if we can keep these number of people together in a group, and then we do something together, which is obviously related to education online with LWT India or through the means of GECL, I think that will be really great. My congratulations again to the whole, team who has been awarded today, and also again appreciations and more appreciations to the team. Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys.
If you have any, we can make a WhatsApp group. So whatever conferences you organize, we can share in the group, and these all participate. We can add in this group, so it will be very beneficial for all of us. So let the information in future what conferences organized by GECL and other nominate other fraternity personalities, they can share their views in the group. This is my personal suggestion.
Let me introduce our second jury member, Dr. Niranjan Lal. Dr. Niranjan Lal is PhD in Computer Science and Engineering. He has completely his MTech from GGSIPU Delhi, and he has done his BE from Rajasthan University. Currently, he is working as an assistant professor in CSE department at School of Engineering and Technology, Modi University of Science and Technology, Lakshmangarh, Sikar, Rajasthan, India. He has more than 13 years of experience, extensive experience in IT industry and academies in India. His research areas are network security, wireless senior network, cloud computing, data space, Android application development, information retrieval, machine learning and deep learning. He is guiding one PhD student at Modi University of Science and Technology. He is highly disciplined and organized. He has organized more than 15 conferences, seminars, and workshops. He has chaired more than 8 conferences, special sessions, and delivered 6 keynote addresses. He is serving on advisory capacity in several international journals as editorial member and in international conferences as technical program committee, organizing committee. He has published more than 30 papers in national and international conferences or journals. Presently, he is handling a project, a collaborative approach for building a research data space system for an organization under Collaborative Research Scheme CRS, AICTE New Delhi as a COPI. So, Dr. Niranjalal, can you speak some words about this event?
Yes, thank you, Aman sir, for this. Actually, I would like to thank all the awardee members and the jury member of this GCL award. And as a part of jury member of this GCL award, I also send some information of awardees to our jury members. So on the basis of awardees calibration, their achievement, their award, their education, their some other achievement, their qualifications, we have selected their nomination. Okay, so I also the part of jury member of this GCL award, and I am also associated with this company as a family business of my brother. So I would like to thank all the jury members, all awardees. Those are available on this digital platform from different countries, from Denmark, Bangladesh, and Oman, Saudi Arabia, Iran, and Egypt, and they're from their different countries. Okay, I will also like to thank the management person of the LifeTech India, CEO and Director Mr. Sunil Kumar, and Director Ms. Hind Bala Verma, and other member of this award ceremony, Mr. Varun Kumar, Mr. Aman Sadija, who anchor this full award ceremony, and other members also, just like previous year jury members. Those were also available here, and it's Dr. Pooja Devan, and we also watched their video. They have shared their experience with us. Dr. Suresh Nayak, Dr. J. Rajke, Dr. Anuja Pandey, and Ms. Divya. So they are also available in this platform, and we have tried to fulfill all the things, but there is some technical issues, and there are some. It's a new platform to organize this type of events, conferences, and that. So we have to face some problems. Okay, and during this pandemic, we have to organize in a different way. Even we are right now in our Rajasthan, so there is some problem is going on related to some curfews also going to be in Alwar, and there is a march of this Gujar Andolan is also going to be there. So there are some issues related to net, but we try to complete this is on in a good manner. So I would like to thank our guest, special guest of this ceremony, Professor Hamid Saremi from Iran, and chief guest of this ceremony, Dr. Mr. Ambuj Kathuria. They are the VP and global head of at Birlasoft. And I also would like to thank esteemed sponsor of this award ceremony. It's KL Research Association. They are related to some research contribution, and CIRG also one part of India and abroad. So thank you all the awardees, all the jury members, all LifeTech India management team, and thanks to all these awardee and members. Those are available till now, and they join us today. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Yeah. So there is so much to thank everybody here for. Without you people, and there is no event. So we thank you very much all being with us. So जाने से पहले एक शेर जरूर कहना चाहूंगा कि कोई मजहब हो ऐसा जहां इंसान बनाना सिखाया जाए, कोई मजहब हो ऐसा जहां इंसान बनाना सिखाया जाए, हो तेरे दर्द का असर मुझ पर ऐसा कि तू भूखा रहे तो मुझसे भी ना खाया जाए. So just a second. So please rise in your seat because अभी नेशनल एंथम का टाइम आ चुका है. Thank you everyone.
जय हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
An artist, the Tiger of Alwar, Ankaraman Satija. Thank you, Sunil sir. Thank you, Dr. Anjan sir. Thank you, all of you. Thank you. Jai Hind.